Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this awesome folding EDC knife from Crkt. This is the 4810 Forebear. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from Crkt and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Crkt for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with some quick size references just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Let's have a look at the size comparisons vertically. Let's take a rough measurement here with the blades closed. Looks like we got just about 3.5 inches overall length with the blades closed. Here it is with both of the blades opened up all the way. And back to vertical. Let's go from blade tip to blade tip. And it looks like we got just about 6 and 3/4 inches overall length. Let's have a look at the thickness of these blades here, right at the thickest point on the spine. It looks like it's just about the same thickness as a US nickel. Let's change it around to the smaller blade. Yeah, about the same there. Let's see what we can come up with here at the thickest point, and it looks like it's just about 1/8 of an inch thick there. Should be the same on this one as well. Yep, just about 1/8 of an inch thick. Let's have a look at the top of the knife here to give you a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. So here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thinner side, and I think it's going to be perfect. Yeah, the thicker side is going to be too thick that way, too wide. Yeah, more similar to that. Let's run the ruler across the top here, and we can see it is just about, if we go from scale to scale, it's just over 1/4 of an inch, so about 5/16 of an inch thick. Let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Look at that, 1.3 ounces. Ridiculously light. And just in case you're wondering what 1.3 ounces feels like, well, if you got 6 US quarters lying around the house, weighs almost as much as that. Let's have a look at your opening mechanism. It's going to be these nail nicks. Cut nice and deep. Very easy to just rotate them over like this. Locking mechanism is going to be slip joint. Very similar to what you're going to find on Swiss Army knives. And on the pivot, phosphorus bronze washers. So they really slide over easily. Let's have a closer look at these beautiful Wharncliffe blades. Straight edge comes to a really nice point here. Perfect for puncturing and slicing. We have a longer blade up front for longer slices, more delicate cuts. And back here we have the shorter, stouter blade for cuts that require a little bit more effort. Satin finish. Total full flat grind here. No curvature on the blade. Very easy to maintain these. And both the long and the short blade have sharpening choils to help you sharpen this edge from the tip of the blade all the way down to the base. Steel type being used on both of these blades is a Swedish steel. It's 12C27. Really great corrosion resistance with about 14% chromium. And what's great is you're going to get good wear resistance. Your edge is going to last a pretty long time. It's pretty easy to sharpen, easy to maintain. And as we're going to see in just a minute, it takes a nice, fine, sharp edge. Let's have a closer look at these gorgeous black and red G10 scales. Pretty smooth. Of course, G10 is going to be great in all types of conditions, wet or dry. And you see small contouring here. So let's say you open up the main blade. You have a nice place here to set your thumb. And then over on the other side, it gives you a little bit more leverage. Curvature goes the other way, so you can press down a little bit more and do your cutting. This is an absolutely gorgeous knife. Real basic, real simple, really great steel. Let's try to cut some paracord. No problem. Let's try cutting some newspaper. What kind of bite we're going to get here? Oh, decent. Nice and smooth there. Yep. Smooth slicing. Let's try some cardboard. Nicely done. We'll flip it over. Total domination. Once again, guys, this has been the 4810 Forebear from Crkt. If you are just into basic EDC knives, no fancy pocket clips, no crazy opening mechanisms, just a knife that's going to give you two really outstanding Wharncliffe blade shapes with really great steel, and most of all, it's packed up into this little package that you're not even going to notice you're carrying around, this might be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase the Forebear from Crkt and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.